Hey everyone, welcome to my hangar. Welcome to my hangar. Welcome to my hangar. Hey guys, welcome to my hangar. I'm going to show you guys about the new Garmin AERA 760. Just got it in the mail. I wanted to go to Oshkosh this year. It was going to be my very first year as an aircraft owner. I have a 2007 CubCrafter SPORT CUB, and I wanted to go to Oshkosh, go to the Garmin tent, and try everything out, decide what I wanted. Now that Oshkosh is canceled, I decided to upgrade it anyway, and I went with the AERA 760. So when you open the box, here's the 760. It's really nice and light. It's a 7-inch touchscreen. Ooh, this is the best part. You get to peel these things off. Oh. So this little pamphlet it came with, it says that you get one free aviation database update for your GPS. So before you even subscribe, you can download charts on there and try it out for free before you start actually buying all the charts. So we're gonna do that. So I got my computer up on my Fly Garmin account. I'm going to plug in the 760 so that way I can register it to my account, enter in the coupon code that came in the box for me to get the most updated charts onto the 760 to get started. Now that I have it on my account and I clicked all the charts I want to download, I can do it through my computer or I can do it over Wi-Fi. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to connect to my home Wi-Fi, and right on the AERA 760 I can click install and it's going to download all the charts for me. So I'm just going to click download and let that sit and let them all download. I have installed those. It took about an hour or so, and now I have green check marks next to all of my charts, and I can see the dates on there that they're active right now, and that's it. It was super easy to get it set up, and now I'm ready to go fly.
Alright, we're up in cruise in the CubCrafter SPORT CUB. I've been using the Garmin 496 for some time, just the other older, outdated, portable one. Now I'm going to compare it to the AERA 760 and see how big of a difference I have, and just double check that I do want to panel mount it, which I can already tell that's exactly what I'm going to want to do. I have my husband flying in the back, that way I can play around with the AERA 760 and see what kind of cool features it has. So on the map feature, it's very intuitive and easy to use. It's all touchscreen, so I can zoom in and out just like I do on my iPhone. I can touch and see airspaces pop up, and I can zoom in and find different airports and obstacles. Really easy and nice graphics on it. I do have it connected to a GDL52, so it is compatible with that ADS-B receiver. So I'm even getting ADS-B traffic on here. I can see tail numbers. I have a plane ahead of me, so we're looking for them. So it's really nice to have all that traffic on here. From the main menu, I can also hit on weather, and I have FISB weather and Sirius XM weather on here. So the Sport Cub is not an all-weather plane. I definitely want to avoid all types of weather. So now I have two different sources to help me with that. I even have PIREPs that are coming up through the ADS-B. So here is one just north of Atlanta at 5,500 feet. And there's one at 4,500 feet out this way to our west. So it's really nice to get an idea of what all the other pilots are saying while I'm flying, and that's all coming through the ADS-B receiver into the AERA 760. On here, I also can put in flight plans really easy, so I can click add waypoint and type them in really nice and fast. Or I can just go direct to everyone's favorite button and type in a airport, I can go to nearest and see what's near me. So for example, we have GA2 next to me right now. That's Peach State. So if I click GA2, which was on my nearest, and hit direct, activate it, it gives me a nice magenta line to follow. So that would be a left turnout over to Peach State if we wanted to go over that way. Under the tools category, I can also see I have so much more in here. I have VNav. I can put in user waypoints. So if there's a waypoint that I like to use to get into my home field, I can add that, save that in here. There's an E6B, weight and balance. I can even connect it to a Verb camera, the Garmin Verb, and control it through this AERA 760. And I have Sirius XM audio on here. Now that is cool, to listen to music while I'm flying my Sport Cub. Overall, I really love the AERA 760. I definitely want to panel mount this into my plane. Hopefully I can do that soon and get rid of my outdated 496. The 496 has all the buttons and it works okay. It's much, much slower than this. It's a lot less intuitive. It takes me a while to get where I want to go on the 496. And that has a lot to do with just not being a touchscreen. On the touchscreen, I just click what I want and I'm there. With the anti-glare on this, I can see it no matter what way the sun is coming into the cockpit, so I like that better than my iPad for that reason. And I just want to keep my iPad for flight planning tools in my home and have a GPS in the plane.
Awesome flight with the AERA 760 in my Sport Cub. But now since it's portable, I get to take it on my next flight too in the Piper J3 Cub. Let's go.